How to fix if is not charging on Poco M8. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. After click on battery, click on charging options and click on speed up. After click on speed up, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, restart device, click power button and volume up button. At that time, you will see restart device. After restart device, you will see your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, refresh phone and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on additional settings. After click on additional settings, scroll down and click on developer option. After click on developer option, scroll down and search media settings from here. You will see media DRM settings and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update your software, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix it is not charging on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.